Are you still paying full price to keep your lights on, or are you ready to let the sun pick up the tab for good? Imagine a world where a massive storm hits, the neighborhood goes dark, but your house stays glowing because you made a one-time investment that pays dividends every single second the sun is shining. Today we are breaking down the absolute best solar panels for home and off-grid setups in 2026 to ensure you never leave your power needs to chance again. All the links are in the description below, so you can grab these deals while they last. We're diving deep into 3 heavy hitters that cater to different needs, from massive 870-watt powerhouses to smart self-cleaning designs and compact DIY kits. Whether you're trying to power a remote cabin, an RV, or just want to slash your monthly utility bill, understanding the subtle differences between N-type cells, bifacial generation, and full-screen glass is the key to not wasting your hard-earned money. I've compared these head-to-head so you can see exactly which tech fits your specific roof or backyard. What's your biggest hesitation when it comes to going solar? Is it the installation or the upfront cost? Drop a comment and let's chat about it. 3. Eco-worthy 195 watts N-type 18BB bifacial solar panels. Did you know that most solar panels actually waste the light that bounces off the ground? But these eco-worthy N-type 18BB bifacial solar panels are literally designed to see from both sides to squeeze every drop of energy out of the day. Coming in at number 3, this 2-piece 195-watt kit is a total game changer for anyone with a light-colored roof or a snowy backyard because the bifacial design captures reflected sunlight from the rear, boosting your total yield by an incredible 15% to 30% compared to standard panels. These aren't your basic entry-level modules. They use advanced N-type monocrystalline cells with an 18 busbar, 18BB, layout that minimizes energy loss, resulting in a staggering 25% conversion efficiency that puts older P-type panels to shame. In real-world testing, these hold up better in high heat, and while competitors like Renewable offer great kits, eco-worthy wins on the price per watt value and that unique double-sided generation. They are built tough, with IP68 rated junction boxes and corrosion-resistant aluminum, making them perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want a high-tech 12-volt system for an RV, boat, or home backup without the premium price tag. Just keep in mind that to get that free extra power from the back, you need to mount them with a bit of clearance over a reflective surface. Does the idea of double-sided power sound like a gimmick to you, or can you see how that extra 30% would change your off-grid game? Let me know your thoughts. 2. Star 870 watts, 2 times 435 watts, full-screen solar panels. What if I told you that the biggest enemy of your solar power isn't a cloudy day, but actually a tiny bit of dust stuck on the edge of your frame? At number 2, the Star 870-watt solar panel system solves this with a revolutionary full-screen frameless design that lets rain naturally wash away debris, meaning these panels essentially clean themselves so you don't have to climb a ladder every month. This massive 2-piece set delivers 870 watts of pure power using N-type 18BB technology with 25% efficiency, making it a professional-grade solution for high-demand homes, large marine vessels, or luxury RVs. When you compare these to the Renewable 450-watt bifacial units, the Star panels take the lead if you prioritize low maintenance and a sleek, modern look over ground mount reflections. They are optimized for 24-volt and 48-volt systems, which is exactly what you want for modern, high-capacity battery banks, ensuring stable power even when the weather turns sour. The build quality features thick tempered glass and high-grade silicon, justifying the higher upfront cost as a true set-and-forget long-term investment. You do have to be a bit more careful during installation since there is no metal frame to protect the glass edges, but once they are up, the performance is unmatched. Would you pay a little extra for a panel that cleans itself, or do you enjoy the Sunday morning roof scrub? Tell me in the comments. 1. Callsun 400 watts, 4 times 100 watts, high output solar panel kit. If you're looking for the ultimate sweet spot of portability, durability, and raw performance that won't break the bank, then the Callsun 400-watt high-output kit is the undisputed heavyweight champion on our list today. This kit gives you 4 100-watt modules built with grade A+ monocrystalline cells, and a 10 bus bar design that actually tends to exceed its 100-watt rating in real-world sunlight, which is almost unheard of in the budget space. These panels are roughly 10% smaller than traditional 100-watt modules, making them a dream for crowded RV roofs or small cabin setups where every inch of space is precious. Compared to the industry-standard Renogy 100-watt panels, Callsun provides a superior price per watt and higher energy density while maintaining a rugged, all-weather build that includes a 30-year power output guarantee. They are incredibly versatile for 12 volts, 24 volts, or 48 volts DIY configurations thanks to the standard MC4 compatible connectors, though you'll want to grab a set of Z brackets separately since they aren't included in the box. This is the perfect entry point for anyone building an emergency backup system or a portable power station because you get high-end N-type efficiency, 23 to 25%, at a fraction of the cost of big brand names. If you could start your solar journey today with just 400 watts, what's the first appliance you'd want to run for free? It's time to stop renting your energy and start owning it. Whether you want the self-cleaning tech of the Star 870 watts, the double-sided power of the EcoWorthy, or the compact reliability of the Callsun 400 watts, there has never been a better time to switch to solar. All the links are in the description below, so go check them out right now. If this comparison helped you figure out your home power setup, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dive tech reviews, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest green energy gear. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.